Well, good morning. We're back here with your video for your writing prompt today and your word problems. And also we're going to have cursive handwriting in this video. We are here with Nikki and Gabby. They're kind of running around. And if you can see over there outside the door, Arthur and Morgana are just sitting there very confused as to why they cannot come in today. But they're not here today. They're sitting out there and we have Nikki and Gabby with us today. So, buenos dias. And let's start your writing prompt with the date and writing prompt. So the date today is March 20, 2020. Writing prompt. Last night and today is the equinox. Equinox means equal night. So the nighttime, the darkness last night was equal to the daytime and the daylight today. This is the new season. The new season has started here on Earth, and it's spring. That means today, the daylight will start getting a little bit longer every day. We'll have a little bit more daylight, right? All right. The writing prompt, my idea for the writing prompt today is for you to send me a question about Nikki and Gabby, or maybe Rocky and Munchie. What would you like to know? And first years, I would like you to send me one question, and second years, 2 questions, and third years, 3 questions. So, what would you like to know about our class pets with a question mark? So I'm sending you this question. You're going to come back and send me your question. And I will answer. I will update you, whatever it is that you want to know about them. I'll answer every email. So that's your writing prompt for Friday. They are sure getting a nice movement break here. While we have your notebooks here, we're going to do our next letters in cursive. We're doing uppercase letters, so let's review what we have done so far. Hi. We have done capital A. We have done capital B. We have done capital C. We have done, should we put in che if we're going to do this in Spanish? I'll put that in parentheses because it's not our letter, but it is a Spanish letter, che. We have done capital D. We have done capital E, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, capital F. Now today we're going to start with capital G. So let me find a place where you can see this. I'm going to start capital G at the bottom line. We're going to go up, up, and then it has a little curly, little hook. And let's go ahead and do capital H. Capital H, we're going to start at the top, at the top line, make one line, and then we have to start here at the top again, make the next line. Okay, that's a review. Let's write some words with capital G and capital H. We can start with Gabby. That will be our first word, Gabby. So we're going to do capital G, A, B, I. And let's do some more names with capital G. We have some more friends. How about Gala? Capital G, A, L, A. And how about Gabe? Capital G, A, B, E. If you can think of more words to practice with capital G, add them to your list in your notebook. And we'll do some with capital H. What words start with capital H that we can practice? Do we have friends with capital H? And we do. How about Holly? We'll start with capital H. Start your O down here if you want. O, L, L, Y. And how about Henry? Capital H, E, N, R, Y. If you can think of any more words to add to your list with capital H, you can. Let's move on to our word problems for this morning, for Friday. First years, congratulations, you've made it to Friday. This is your last word problem of the week. Choose the best answer. Which giraffe on here has horns, straight eyelashes, spots, and mane and eyes of the same color? And this paper is in a file. I'm just going to move up here. That's on your email. And the file was sent Monday. It's that week 27, really big file with 148 pages. This page is in there. So you can write this in your notebook though, first years. You need to answer the question, which giraffe has horns, straight eyelashes, spots, and mane and eyes of the same color? First, second, third, or fourth. There are some facts about giraffes on here. A giraffe's tongue is 18 inches long. Does anyone want to measure that at home? And maybe even find out how tall is a giraffe. But that is a fact about giraffes. The giraffe uses its tongue to strip leaves from thorny trees. The giraffe prefers the new leaves and buds near the top of the trees. So that's first years. Let's move on to second years. I feel like I'm not. Everybody in our family has a birthday in the same 5 months. So there's going to be a list here of everyone in the family and when their birthdays are. In this family, everyone's birthdays are in January, February, March, April, and May. And second years, you have 2 questions to answer. Which month has the most birthdays? And then how many birthdays are in that month? You can pause it there too if you want to. And those answers can go in your notebook. And then third years. Your word problem today says Mrs. Odell is taking her son to buy sandbox toys. Her son wants a dump truck, 2 cars, and a pail. There's a list of prices here. He wants to buy a dump truck, 2 cars, and a pail. So he wants to buy 4 items from the list. If he can spend up to $15, how many shovels can he buy? If he has money left over after buying those 4 things, how many shovels can he buy? You will have to do this in a couple of steps. You will have to add up the price of the dump truck, 2 cars, and a pail. And then you will have to find out from that price, what is the difference between that and $15? The difference, remember, is subtraction. So then you're going to have to subtract that from $15. But the question you need to answer is, if he can spend up to $15, how many shovels? So the answer is going to be how many shovels he can buy. And I'm going to go ahead and put Nikki and Gabby back away. Their movement break is done, and we will see you again soon. So email me, let me know if you need any help, and let me know how your day is going. All right, hasta luego.